up, y'all? It's Kay here, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title, today's video is going to be another hair video. I am back with another hair review. Well, basically it's an initial hair review because the hair isn't installed yet. But I received hair from the Pure Silk Addiction, which is a hair company on Instagram that sent me hair to review for them, and I'm very excited. Here is the packaging. I already opened it because, you guys, literally I just want to make sure everything comes as is, like everything that I'm supposed to be receiving is in the packaging before I just open it on camera and be like, hold up, what is this? This is not what they were supposed to say. But yeah, everything came correct. So this is the, make sure this is the packaging. I'm not really sure if packaging, obviously I opened it, but I'm not really sure if packaging comes like this for everyone else, like customers, or if it was just sent to me in regular like packaging for promotion use. So basically, here it is. I received 3 bundles of Bodywave hair from the Pure Silk Addiction, and they sent me a pair of their mink eyelashes, which I'll show you guys first. And I think she told me that these lashes are, called Addiction by them. So that's cool. I can't wait to try these out. So those were the lashes, and these are the 3 bundles of hair that they sent me. They sent me a 30-inch. It don't even fit in the screen, y'all. But this is a 30-inch of Bodywave. This is a 26-inch, which I haven't even looked at yet. I just took it out the box, y'all. But this is a 26-inch, and I think the other, and the third bundle is a 28. So I got a 26, 28, and a 30. Y'all, your girl gonna be having inches. But yeah, y'all, this hair is it's 9A grade hair. So that means this is like tough. This is some great quality junk. Nah, for real though. This is some great quality hair though. 9A, that's one of the best. So I just took the hair out the packet. Oh yeah, this hair feels good. Y'all, look at the wave. The wave is so pretty. It's so pretty. I am so excited to use this hair. But I think, yeah, I just took out, this is 30 inches, you guys. Imagine when this hair is straight, it's gonna be like 45. No. But this is the Bodywave. Now, the first thing that I noticed is that the hair is hella soft. The hair is hella soft. Hella soft. I love it already. Now I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna take all the bundles out. I'm gonna show you guys the wefts. Hopefully, I think I'm taking out the 26. This is the 26-inch. And then this is the 28. This is how it came packaged for me, you guys. In the clear packaging, labeled. As you guys can see, it says, oh, well, you can't see, but it says 9A on the packaging. Sorry, the lighting is kind of bright. Yeah, my nails aren't allowing me to take it out the packaging. Okay, so this is the 28. This is the 26. This is the 26. Oh yeah, you guys can definitely tell a difference in the length. This is shorter. So this is the 26, and then this is the 30. These are the wefts. I think this one wasn't wrapped tight enough, but I think the bundles are a good thickness for the lengths that they are. Like, look at the look how, can we take a minute for how thick this bundle is for a 30-inch? You guys, I have seen 30-inch bundles that are smaller than this. So I'm really impressed with that. Here is the structure of the wefts. The structure looks pretty nice. It looks very nice, and it's sturdy, you guys. I don't think I'm going to experience shedding with this hair because the wefts are well constructed. I think I will only experience shedding if I cut these wefts, but I do not plan on cutting my wefts, so I'll let you guys know about that. But overall, for this initial review, the hair is very soft. It's very silky. Look, and it has hella body. This hair is going to have hella body when I install it. I love the wave. The body wave is so gorgeous, y'all. I love it. Now, that is it for this initial review. I will be back with a whole video on actually reviewing the hair and wearing the hair and letting you guys know how I take care of it, the hair care instructions, all of that. So make sure you guys just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys later.